How to create real 21:9 cinematic aspect ratio in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Click on the Settings button. Here, divide project width by 2.39 and it gives me 803. Because it's not a good idea to use an odd number, I use 800 instead for the height. Click on the Save button. Now we have these black borders around the video. Select the video in Timeline and open up Inspector. Under Retime and Scaling, change Scaling to Crop and this will get rid of the black borders. Now change Position Y value until your subject is visible in the frame. Go to the Deliver page and render the video with your desired settings. Right-click on the rendered video and select Open File Location. Now we have a 21:9 aspect ratio without black borders. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.